Let's start setting up a Docker Swarm cluster by installing a hypervisor on our host machine. If you are wondering what is a hypervisor, it is a piece of software which allows us to create virtual machines. First of all, here is the sources.list file. And as you can see, there are a lot of links already available, and most of them are for updates regarding Ubuntu or other software. We have added the line. Let's save the file. Now let's get the GPG key for our Virtualbox. Let's run sudo apt-get update command. And as you can see, just beneath Sublime text, we can see that Virtualbox has also been updated. Now the application is added to the list of apt package manager. Let's install it. Type sudo apt-get install followed by the version of Virtualbox. Here we are going to install Virtualbox 5.2. Once the process is complete, let's see if we can find Virtualbox in our list of softwares. And here we are. Oracle Virtualbox has been installed successfully. It is up and running.